On any wildlife show on television, you'll eventually see a predator hunting and killing its prey, be it a crocodile grabbing a small deer, a bear with some freshly killed salmon in its mouth, or the most glorious of all, a lioness catching an antelope and devouring it. While this is nothing new, the animal kingdom is rife with something much darker than just interspecies struggles. Welcome back to our channel, and today we will delve into one of the lesser-known secrets of the animal kingdom, that of species murdering their own kind, intentionally and regularly. Before we see the mammals that kill each other, let's have a look at insects and arachnids. Amongst them, sexual cannibalism is quite prominent, which means that a female usually eats a male before, during, or after mating. A few examples of species that are involved in sexual cannibalism include the Chinese mantis, or the Tenodera sinensis, and the black widow spider. The reason why this happens is that the females of these species are usually hostile and unwilling to mate, due to which the males of these species have developed adaptive behaviors to counteract the aggression. Coming to the aquatic world, things take quite a gruesome turn. For example, shark embryos are known to cannibalize their own litter mates while they are still in the womb. Scientists believe that this cannibalism is a competitive trait by which males try to assert their paternity when there are embryos by different fathers in the womb. Other types of fish, too, are extremely territorial as adults and kill even their own kind if there is a breach of their territory, like the cichlids and bettas, or Siamese fighting fish. Even rival ant colonies ensue in bloody fights with their own species to assert their territorial dominance. In the animal kingdom, battles for the ideal mate are common, and these fierce fights occasionally lead to death. This is so common among certain species that some male hummingbird species have evolved potentially lethal, dagger-tipped beaks that can be used to stab each other during these magnificent aerial battles. So rather than outright murder, these instances lead more towards sexual competition, where potential mates are accidentally killed. Another example is that of the western toad, where groups of male toads may crowd around a female match in water, eventually causing her to drown. If you are looking for pure, cold-blooded murder, then look no further than social mammals. In 2016, a group of researchers in Spain analyzed data from more than 4 million deaths across 1,024 mammal species, including us humans. According to FBI data, there were close to 16,000 murders in the United States alone in 2015, and plenty of reasons why these murders were committed. These ranged from jealousy and squabbles about money to plain hatred. These numbers might make you think that humans are most likely to kill their own kind, but as stated earlier, this isn't true, for humans didn't even rank amongst the top 30 in the animals that were surveyed. The top 30 included lions, wolves, and some non-human primates like monkeys and lemurs. The research also revealed something quite shocking. A number of seemingly peaceful species were in fact quite murderous. Looks can be deceiving. Ungulate species like wild horses, deer, and gazelle, and others like long-tailed chinchillas and ground squirrels all ranked in the top 50. This brings us to the question, which one do you think was the most murderous of the lot? Meerkats. Yes, those small furry animals with large eyes. The research published stated that around 20% of meerkats met their end at the hands and teeth of other meerkats. Thankfully, overall less than half of the species studied had tendencies to murder their own kind. But one mammal group did stand out as pretty murderous. Yup, primates, or us humans, are 8 times more likely to kill our own species as compared to other mammals. However, before you start worrying about who might want to kill you, listen to this. The analysis had a major caveat. The circumstances of the murders are quite different between humans and the rest of the animal kingdom, or mammals to be precise. The majority of mammal murders include infanticide or the killing of babies. For example, in the meerkat society, dominant female kill the pups of subordinate females in their group, and this is quite a regular sight. While males of the most of these species tend to kill one another to prove their worth as mates, or to establish their dominance, females defend their young ones from attacking adults. Sometimes, If there is a lack of resources, females kill the young ones of other females. So, humans are a part of a small group of animals that kill adults of their species, a group of 352 species which also includes wolves, other primates, and spotted hyenas or other carnivores. This is a feat that is relatively unheard of amongst rabbits, bats, dolphins, and whales. But even in this small group, humans stand out. As was once said by the Harvard biological anthropologist Richard Wrangham, humans are truly exceptional. Which animal in this list shocked you the most? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting aspects of the animal kingdom. Goodbye and stay tuned!